up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that I created. It's really cute. I hope you guys like it. Also in this tutorial I used a bunch of new products that I haven't featured before on my channel, and a lot of these I mentioned in my last video, the Ulta beauty haul. So I'm going to be trying these out on camera for you guys, and let me know if you've tried any of these before in the comments. Alright guys, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this makeup look, then please continue watching. Okay, so for time purposes, I've already filled in my brows off camera using Anastasia's Brow Wiz as well as LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up underneath. And I've also already primed my face using Benefit's Professional. So right now I'm about to start off with my foundation, and I'm going to be using two new products. And I mentioned these in my last Ulta beauty haul video. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation as well as their powder. And honestly y'all, I don't know what's taking me so long to use these, but I have used Maybelline's Matte and Poreless Foundation and I fell in love with it automatically from the first time that I used it. But I haven't gotten around to this one yet, so I kind of wanted to try this on camera and see how it does. And I'm in the color 111 Soft Sable, so I really hope that this matches my skin tone. And like I mentioned in my Ulta video, they don't have very much shades to choose from L'Oreal. Like, it's ridiculous. This is like the second to the last darkest shade, which is just ridiculous. I'm not even that dark, but come on. And to apply this foundation, I'm going to be using my new Morphe brush. This is the M439 buffing brush. So I'm just going to be putting that on top of here just a little bit, see how much I need. So far it looks like it's blending out pretty good. Okay, so I don't feel like I needed to apply that much, so I really like that about it. I have heard a lot of good things about this foundation, especially for us oily girls, and it really is matte, you guys. Like, there's no shine at all, so I'm loving it so far. But we'll see how it holds up through the end of the day. Okay, so next to conceal, I'm just going to be taking my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer and highlighting underneath my eyes, my nose, and wherever else I feel like I want a little attention. Honestly, I'm so sick of summer. I'm ready for fall time. That's like the perfect weather. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. Plus, I feel like there's way more cuter outfits for like transitioning into fall. Because like I said, you don't have to worry about being too hot or too cold. Plus, you can layer up if you need to. I'm ready. I'm over this hot weather. I'm just going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. I really want the one from Real Techniques. It has like a flat surface on one of the sides, and I feel like that would be perfect for underneath the eyes. So next time I'm in Ulta, I'm going to pick that up because it looks like it would blend out so good. But that's not to take away from the beauty blender. I really love this thing. Now I'm going to be setting my concealer with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And I've already used it, but not on camera. So I really like this stuff. If you've watched any of my other makeup tutorials, you know that I use Sacha Buttercup setting powder, which I still love, by the way. But I just wanted to have something, you know, else to switch it up as far as my makeup routines go. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender to apply this. And I'm not going to be baking, I'm just going to press it in. I haven't tried baking with this yet, and I'm a little scared. But yeah, I still love this stuff though. Like I said, I still use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, but it's a little bit more on the yellow side, the warm yellow side, which I feel matches my skin tone perfectly. And usually I stray away from translucent setting powders because it makes me look like a ghost on pictures. Like the one from e.l.f. Oh my god, horrible. Horrible. Like, I'm not, you know, clashing or knocking e.l.f. down or anything, because they do have a lot of good quality products for the low, but that translucent powder, unless they change the formula, because it's been years since I've used it. Like, I threw mine away. But this one is right. A girl has to have options. I feel like I do a better job with my makeup when I'm in my bathroom, because like filming a makeup tutorial is super hard. All these bright lights in here, you would think you would be able to see good, but now that I have this ring light, it's like super bright in here, and I'm trying not to go blind. I have my contacts on. So yeah, I do wear glasses for those who don't know. Now for a little contour, and I'm using MAC's blush in the color Blunt. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Powder. So this is, again, my first time using this. Normally I use my Makeup Forever setting powder. So, just trying out some new products, guys. Very nice coverage. I feel like I can use this without the foundation too if I want it. Just like how I do with Makeup Forever's powder. Sometimes when I don't feel like putting on foundation, I usually skip that step, especially if I'm in a rush. I'll just put on the powder, and it gives me like light to medium coverage, which is fine with me. Okay, so now I'm going to jump to my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and I also purchased this from Ulta in store. So yeah, just gonna be using this one palette on my eyes, and honestly y'all, I don't even know what look I'm gonna be doing today, so we're just gonna roll with it. But I do need to make sure that it complements my lips, because I want to do like a bold pink lip. So to start off in my crease, I'm gonna be going in with contour, which I feel like is the perfect name since I'm trying to give my little crease a contour. Really nice, pretty color. And I've already been using this palette, but again, I've never used it on my channel. And y'all, I have to tell y'all that these colors blend out so good. Like, I really, really love the formula of these eyeshadows. Like, Morphe does a really good job with their eyeshadows. I haven't tried any of their other products other than their makeup tools, but as far as like the actual makeup, these eyeshadows are bomb. So pretty. And that's only with like picking up minimal product, y'all. Really good. I feel like I'm always forgetting to zoom in for y'all, so let's get a little closer, up close and personal. There we go. Okay, y'all, can y'all tell the difference with these ring lights? Can y'all see my makeup better? Can you see my pimples? Can you see my bumps? Okay, so to go over that, I'm gonna be taking, what do I want to use? I'm gonna pick up Terracotta. Like, this is the perfect palette for warm nude shades. is so bomb, y'all. I love this palette. I've been using it constantly. We're gonna go in with So Warm on the lid. I'm trying to pick up colors. Well, I haven't used this one before on my lid, but it's like a nice chocolatey brown color. It's really cute. So far, I feel like this eye look would go well with, you know, transitioning to fall, because it is about that time. Thank God. Do I want to go darker on the edges? Maybe just a tinge. So I'm gonna be picking up Wiz just a little bit because, like I said, y'all, this shows up like really good, so I don't want to get too dark on here. Just right on the edge. Y'all, I didn't even pick up that much. Look at that. Now I'm gonna really have to blend it. Just a little bit. I barely even tapped the color. That's how much it shows up. Back in with that terracotta shade just a little bit to pull everything together. So underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with those same shades, those same brown shades. Y'all definitely have to tap off the excess product when you're applying this, or else you'll get it everywhere. So I'm gonna line my waterline with Maybelline's Master Precise Metallic Liquid Liner. Y'all, I can't see, so let me just do this real quick, okay? And before I apply my false lashes, I'm gonna be applying some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Oh, dropped it on the carpet. Okay, I'm gonna come back to the lower lashes once I apply my falsies, and these are from the brand Kiss. They're the blowout lash, and they're in the style Pixie. I haven't used these before, so I'm kind of curious to see how they look on, because they look really cute in the box, so hopefully they look nice. And I am going to be applying this off camera because it takes me a while. I'm not a pro at applying falsies, so kudos to you if you are, but I ain't there yet. So let me apply these and I'll be right back. Oh my god, you guys, these are so cute. I really love these. So I'm just gonna go back in with that translucent powder underneath my eyes just to clean it up a little bit. Not too much. I'm not picking up that much. So in my waterline, I'm gonna be taking Rimmel's black kohl pencil. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Telescopic Black Mascara. I really like the one because it's so skinny, as you can see. And it really pulls out my non-existent bottom lashes. So yeah, if you struggle with this issue, you might want to try this mascara. Like, it really makes you look like you have bottom lashes when you really don't. See, look at that. Lashes, no lashes, lashes, no lashes. I just realized I did not grab any blush, but that's okay. We're just gonna skip that step. But I'm going to try Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. And you remember I was afraid of this in my Ulta haul when I swatched it because it was so freaking bright. And this is rose gold, by the way, so I don't know how it's gonna do on my skin tone, but we're about to find out. So I'm just gonna be taking my fan brush to apply this. Actually, that looks really good. That's cute. I like it. Okay, Maybelline, I see you, I see you. actually going to apply some in my tear duct area. A little bit underneath my brow bone. I totally forgot to set my brows, so I'm just using the clear brow gel from Anastasia. Alright guys, and to set my face, I'm going to be taking MAC's Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray and just spraying this all over. It smells really good too. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to finish off the look with lips, and I'm going to do a hot pink look, and I'm going to use the Flat Out Fabulous shade from MAC, which is this really gorgeous color here. And then I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Heroin. Alright guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you guys are feeling my makeup today, because I definitely am. It's super cute. Also, let me know if you plan on trying any of these products that I used today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.